Maestro, do you like dogs? And do you think we have anything to learn from them?
In fact, being as vedutista, analyzing all the vedutisti, if you look closely, in every vedutista that depicts this city, there is a dog, which is like a human being, has the same activities. You see. Some dogs are going by now. Those dogs are the dogs of Nepal. And yet, no it's painted. Because they're elegant, aristocratic. They're all sort of dogs, like all sorts of human beings. And in Venice, they have the opportunity to walk as they walk at home. Because there is no traffic. So they have their performances. They have their entries and their exits. It's part of the city.